Now we have installed WordPress and did some crucial settings. Now it's time to install some cool plugins that are must to have. And do you know what? These are absolutely free. If you are confused with plugins, plugins are the third-party softwares which increases your WordPress site's functionalities or add some cool features. Like if you want to add some cool contact form, you need to install WP Forms. There are many softwares, but in this video I am going to tell you about only free softwares which have pro versions also. So what you have to do, you need to watch the video till the end. So without wasting time, let's get started. To install any WordPress plugin, just log into your WordPress admin panel, which looks like this, and here you will see one option plugins. Under this you will find an option add new. Just click on that and this kind of interface will be open. So first plugin that we are going to install in our WordPress website is the Yoast SEO. If you get it here, just install it. Otherwise you can type here Yoast and it will appear automatically. Just wait here. So what is Yoast SEO? So Yoast is a SEO plugin, means search engine optimization. If you want your website to appear on different search engines like Yahoo, Google, Bing, you need to install this because all the search engines follow certain rules which are best practiced by Yoast. So what are the features of Yoast? So in the free version you will get canonical URLs, meta tags. If you are not getting what I am saying, don't worry, I will make a separate video on Yoast, how to install it, how to activate it, how to set up Yoast. Everything will be clear in that video. It is just an introductory video, okay? So in the free version you can use meta tags, you can use canonical URLs, XML sitemaps, meta branding, site breadcrumbs, faster loading times, and many more SEO features, search engine optimization features you can say. In the premium version it provides many more features which is not useful for the beginners. If you're a beginner, just go for free version only, okay? So install it, just click on the install and wait till it installs. So it has been installed successfully, and after that you have to click on the activate to get it activated. We will do all these things later. Now the second plugin that we are going to install is WP Supercache. Just search WP Super and it will appear like this, okay? Don't worry, I will give the official links for each and every plugins in the description box. So what is it? WP Supercache. So if your website has a lot of data, okay, and anyone requests these data while visiting your website, it may take some time for the server to aggregate all the data and transfer it to the visitor, and it takes time, and as a consequence your website will take time to load itself, and it puts bad impression on the visitor, and visitor will be frustrated and never visit your website again. So in order to avoid this, WP Supercache uses a cache version of our website, means the pages which is requested frequently, it creates a cache, means a copy of that, so the server don't have to aggregate each time a visitor requests some data. It already keeps a copy. Whenever a page is requested, the cache version of that page is sent to the visitor, and in doing all these, the loading time of your website decreases and your website works fastly. WP Supercache offers many kind of caching like simple caching, compressed pages, don't cache for cache rebuild, CDN support. What is CDN? CDN is a network of data, means your data gets distributed on many data centers, so that if anyone requests your website or any specific page, it is delivered from the nearest data center and it decreases load time and your website works fast. To install this, just click on the install now and wait till it gets installed. I will make a separate video on how to set up WP Supercache and everything about this, so don't worry if you didn't get anything, okay? And after installing this, you need to click on the activate button. We will do it later. So now the third plugin that we are going to install is WP Forms Lite. WP Forms is a WordPress plugin that is used for creating good looking forms, contact forms, which is very easy to create also. Just drag and drop, and within 5 minutes of less than 5 minutes you will create beautifully looking forms. WP Forms also gives you pre-built form templates which you can use rapidly, and within 1 minute you will be able to create forms. WP Forms are SEO friendly, means it will be friendly to Google search engine, Yahoo search engine, and many more other search engines. It has all the fields in the forms like email, password, and drop down menus. All these things are given in this plugin. You can also conduct surveys and polls using these forms. So membership forms also you can offer to your visitors. So many more features are there. I will make a separate video on how to set up WP Forms, okay? So don't worry if you didn't get anything. To install this, just click on the install button and wait while it gets installed. Now the WP Forms has been installed successfully. We will activate it later. Now the fourth plugin that we are going to install is the Elementor. So this is Elementor Website Builder. So what is Elementor Website Builder? It is a cool WordPress plugin that you can use to create beautifully looking pages, posts. It provides many features like drag and drop builder. Like if you want to create any post that uses some blocks like forms, like cool looking columns, you can use that. It provides very good, nice looking and fast loading designs. And the cool thing is that you can create these pages just by dragging and dropping all the fields like text fields, paragraphs, images, and carousel you can use. It provides many features, and in the free version also you get a lot of things. One more thing I would like to say about Elementor is that it provides you responsive live editing. Means if you are editing any page, any post, you can see it live on your dashboard. Not only on desktop, you can also visualize it on mobiles, tablets. All the things are given in the simple interface. Okay. It provides many elements like heading, images, text editor, video button, images button, testimonials, icons, icon box, social icons, image galleries, image carousel, icon list. Wow, many more things it provides. Means it is a complete package. It also offers some free templates that you can insert in your pages and posts, which will save your time, as well as all these are good looking and responsive, and visitors must like it. So to install this, just click on the install now, and I will make a separate video on Elementor, how to use it. Everything will be clear in that video. So if you didn't get anything, don't worry, I will explain all the things in the upcoming videos. Now the Elementor has been installed successfully. We will activate it later. Now the final plugin that we are going to install is the image optimization and lazy load by Optimal. It is a very cool WordPress plugin. In the free version you get up to 5,000 requests in a month. Okay, so what does this plugin do? This plugin is best for lazy load of images, EDM networks. While visiting many websites, you might have noticed that while downloading the images, nothing else downloads. Means you have to wait till the images downloads, and sometimes the dimensions of the image and also the quality of images may be somewhat different. Okay, so what does Optimal do? It compresses images, it lazy loads images so that your websites work faster. It has own CDN network, means your server don't get the load of exporting the images. It is from the another servers. Okay, so while doing all these things, your website runs faster, runs smoother. Your images dimensions are rectified using the Optimal. Images are of the less size but the same quality. I will make a separate video on the Optimal, how to install it, how to set up all these things. So don't worry about if you didn't get anything. So to install this, just click on the install button, and while it installs, wait. It has been installed successfully and we will activate it later. Okay, these are the 5 must-have free WordPress plugins that you must install just after the installation and setting up your website. Now, how to activate all these WordPress plugins? Just go to the install plugins, which is given under the plugins tab. Just click on that, and here you will get a list of all the plugins that you have installed. So to activate all the plugins in a one go, you should select all the plugins by clicking here. Okay, if you don't want to get activated any of the plugins, you can deselect here. Okay, now in the bulk action, click on the activate and apply. Because we have installed a lot of plugins, we need to activate them in the same manner as I have done this. If you activate all the plugins one by one, it takes a lot of time. Now everything has been installed, and to set up all these things I will make separate video on each plugins, because it will take a lot of time, and I don't want to make this video much longer. I hope that you learned something. If you learned something, don't forget to give a like. If you have some queries or questions, do comment down below. And the most important thing is to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you never miss any future update. So we'll see you in the next video. Peace.